Souto 008. Pattern interrupt. Stop is the highest performing VSL opener on Warrior Plus right now. Single word. Pause. Forces the eye to stop scrolling. The question, how long, activates episodic memory. They actually feel the time they've wasted. That feeling is the sale. 008, 020. Pain mirror. Top vendors know. Never sell before you validate. List what they've already tried in their exact words. Courses, YouTube, strategies. When a buyer hears their own experience described back to them, the subconscious response is, "This person understands me." Trust transfers instantly. The "not because you're lazy" line removes shame. Shame makes people close the tab. Safety makes them keep watching. 0-20-32. The reframe. This is the most important 12 seconds of the entire script. You're not selling a product here. You're challenging a belief. More information is what they've been buying. Reframing the problem as a system gap rather than a knowledge gap creates a cognitive opening. They lean in. The three-part rhythm. Not what's possible. Not what worked. What to do right now. Uses the rule of three, which the brain processes as complete and satisfying. 032, 44. Solution plus mechanism. Name the product only after the emotional case is made. Top vendors never open with the product. They open with the pain. The three-step mechanism, copy, paste, execute, is critical. It removes the technical fear that kills sales in the beginner MMO niche. ChatGPT free. Claude free. Zero barrier. 044, 052. Hyper-specific proof. 3 names. 3 specific results. 3 different time frames. Specificity signals honesty. "These aren't exceptions" is the most important line in this section. It pre-handles the objection, "That worked for them but won't work for me," before the viewer can form it. 052 to 060. Price anchor plus close. Say the price plainly. No build-up. No valued at $497, but today only. Plain price delivery signals confidence. The 3-command close, click, download, run, uses imperative verbs that activate the motor cortex. People who receive commands in the present tense are statistically more likely to act than those who receive suggestions. Not tomorrow, today, is a loss aversion trigger. The cost of waiting one more day feels real.